If your property is sloped like mine, you know all about rain washing out in multiple areas of your garden. And we all know that less maintenance means more enjoyment in your garden. PetraTools Max Mulch Glue is the revolutionary new way to rapidly lock mulch and small pieces of pretty much anything in place to resist displacement. It quickly binds mulch, wood chips, shells, sand, pine straw, pebbles, hay, straw, gravel, and leaf piles completely.
A proprietary blend, Max Mulch Glue leverages custom water-based binder technology to create a safe, invisible bond between mulch and bark pieces and makes them act as cohesive units. While Max Mulch Glue bonds mulch and bark pieces together, it still allows for water and drainage and the passage of vital nutrients to the soil beneath. Do not allow this mixture to freeze, so be sure to store it indoors over the winter and make sure that, as with everything, you shake very well before you use it and only apply to dry mulch. So what you're going to do is simply mix 1 part of Max Mulch Glue to 2 parts of water, mix for approximately 1 minute, and then apply using a sprayer. For pine straw, apply 1 coat evenly at a rate of 1 gallon per 250 square feet. For standard chip bark mulch and the large bark mulch, you are going to want to apply 2 coats evenly at a rate of 1 gallon per 200 square feet and wait at least 1 hour between the coats. Make sure to thoroughly rinse your tank sprayer unit, spray line, and nozzle to ensure no material is left in the unit.